Hello, I'm Darby McKee. I'm standing here in the new Itron booth at DistribuTECH, and today we're going to take some time to learn about smart grid and various activities that are going on with the technologies and various products that participate in that smart grid arena. We'll learn from various thought leaders in the industry today, and hope you enjoy.
So Itron's in the business of delivering smart grid solutions to our customers, and many people think of that as metering and networks and data management, but we want to provide a broader value to our customers and provide the full value chain of the smart grid solution to the end-use customers and to the utility. And so that's one of the key differentiators is our ASA solution is pre-integrated with Itron smart grid hardware, software technology, and so with that we can provide a broad solution for them and really take the value of the data that they're collecting from the smart grid and its volumes of data, terabytes of data, and turn it into actionable information. And that's really what we can bring compared to the competitors in the market space. So it's really about efficiently delivering energy and water to the end-use customers. And for the last 100 years, utilities have been doing that very effectively in a very reliable manner. But what they've done in return is they've over-engineered or overbuilt the grid to ensure that reliability. And now with new technologies, with information, with analytics, you can basically sharpen your pencil a bit and narrow the operating bandwidth of that distribution network, and you can only do that with actionable, timely information. And so things such as just delivery of power to the end-use customer, making sure it's being delivered within the right voltage tolerance, but not over-delivering. It makes the utility operate more efficiently and reduce the amount of power they actually have to deliver to the end-use customer, but still deliver it in a high-quality way. And so that's just one example. Obviously, being more responsive to customers in power outage conditions, identifying those outages more quickly, being able to narrow them down, troubleshoot and resolve them, and bring service back more quickly to the customers, and also provide information to those customers as the power outage is being worked and resolved over time. So those are just two examples. It's really all about efficient delivery of power and reliability of power to the end-use customers in a more cost-efficient and effective manner. So today, the smart grid is largely a one-way system. Power goes from the generators to the transmission network, to the distribution network, and down to the customer. In the next 5 to 10 years, we envision that network becoming much more of a two-way network and engaging the customer much more than we are today. You've got renewable portfolio standards in some parts of the country and other parts around the world, and that is going to require more distributed generation, wind, solar, thermal, storage devices, and that should allow the customers to participate in a much different level than they are today in terms of their consumption, but also being able to supply power back to the grid. And so with that, you have to have obviously a much smarter grid and a grid that has got more sensing down closer to the homes and closer to the distribution network. And with that two-way interaction, you're going to end up with a much more efficient grid than you have today, which in the end should deliver lower cost energy for the customers.